What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video for you guys today. And today I'm gonna get right to it, give you guys the 3 winners of the Foglight kits. Those winners are Larry Rubio, Immortal Blazes, and KPH Anglers. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, DM me. If not, follow my Instagram at Budget Fixes. I will leave the link or the little at right here. And DM me so we can set up this whole Foglight kit, and I can ship it to you guys. I can meet you guys in person, or whatever's works best for you guys. So with all that being said, guys, I'm gonna move over to a different subject on on some more videos that I have coming up. Now, I do have a oil pan gasket video coming up. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it. I already filmed it, edited it, so it's already good to go. So I'm just gonna upload this video. I'll probably upload that oil pan gasket video either Thursday or Friday, so stay tuned for that. I do have another video of the budget detail kit where I washed the Budget Fixes coupe, but that was the other one, because the first one was the backpack sprayer. That's the mobile one, and the other one was the home one. So I used those 15-inch hose, the 15-foot hoses, and that extension that I showed you guys. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna be filming another video tomorrow on my rims. So if you guys saw in that video where I did the budget detail on the coupe, I took off the plastic dip on all of the 4 rims, and we really cleaned them as best as we could. So tomorrow I'm going to be making a video on me painting them. I'm going to sand them down, and this is the paint I'm going to be using. It's like a dark metallic gray. Now this is just me testing out the paint and stuff, so stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, guys, those are the only videos I have coming up right now. I do have a future, I'm going to be making a collaboration video with 360 Garage. He's going to be doing a Ricer Nice reaction video, so stay tuned for that as well. That will be on his channel, so make sure you subscribe to his channel at 360 Garage. And stay tuned, guys. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.